how to use Time Doctor 2. In this video, I'll show you how to use Time Doctor 2. So to get started, go ahead and head over to timedoctor.com. Sign in or sign up for an account if you don't have one yet. So go ahead and create an account or log into your account. You can start with a free 14-day trial on Time Doctor. Now after that, you can go ahead and proceed on downloading the desktop app. So you can sign up for an account by clicking on this try it free button. And as you can see, you can go ahead and enter your name, business email, company size, password, and then after that, go ahead and click on this create an account button. You can also use your Google account to create an account on Time Doctor. Now make sure that that Google account is a business email. Now, after signing in, download the Time Doctor 2 desktop app from Windows or macOS, install it, and log in using your account credentials. Now, after that, you can go ahead and set up projects and tasks, create groups, add projects and tasks to organize your work, assign tasks to yourself or team members, and then start tracking time. So, select a task and click on Start to begin tracking. Time Doctor will monitor your activity, including app usage and idle time. Use the web dashboard so you can view detailed reports on time spent, productivity, and website or apps use, and managers can see team performance and generate reports from it. So you can also download this on your mobile application if you want to work on mobile. And that is how you can basically use Time Doctor 2. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.